And now for the magnet rail thing.
Yes. Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, my arm. I just like pop my elbow.
Yeah. I like it when my joints crackle and pop. I don't know why.
Not when it hurts like a bitch.
I like it. I'm what is that called? Sadomasochist?
Maybe?
I don't know. Oh. Yay! You like flying on the airship?
I probably should have bought more ammo.
Yeah! What the hell were you thinking? Jeez. Whee. Oh. And you go right there on the rail. Yay! That's just so mind trippy. What do you think?
This is the inspiration for Super Mario Galaxy.
Oh yeah? What's that?
But yeah, this would really fuck with people. Just picture being high while doing this.
Okay.
You'd be like so blown away.
Yes. Oh, what's in here? A flippy man.
You took one shot.
Well, he was a realist. He understands that being shot by a bullet doesn't just allow you to be hit 15 times before that. Is there like a spawner?
I just killed the spawner.
What's over here?
More tanks!
Tanks!
No tanks.
No tanks, you. Aw, puns. What the? I didn't know you could do that.
It does absolutely nothing. Aside from change your walking animation to that.
Really?
Yeah.
Yay, what happens if you kill the tanks?
That's probably where I'm gonna have to go after this, because I just made a shortcut so we wouldn't have to do the electro thing again.
Oh, okay. Now what's up here?
I'm gonna have to use the Visibomb on them.
That's okay. It's worth it. Visibomb.
Snake? Snake?
I like how you...
What? Did that just happen?
Yes? I like how you went through it.
Okay, let's try this again.
Okay, then. And that's not a one-hit kill. There. I'm still blown away, though.
Yeah.
Yay! Ooh, these guys are pretty tough. There we go.
And there's even tougher guys further on.
Yes.
On a later planet. I'm gonna go to Hoth.
Is Vader there?
No. Just Chewie.
And not Chewbacca. The dog's chew toy. Chewie. Yay! What's up here? Research center.
I think I know who we're going to see now.
Hey, I know you two.
Look, the plumber's back.
Very funny.
What are you doing here, sir?
Maintenance. What else? I helped fix this planet's useless air defenses.
Well, I think you'd better hurry up.
The turret works fine, you little yahoo. It's the locals. They haven't got the skilled manpower to use it.
Oh,
Pretty good shot.
You? No, I could lose my job.
Oh, come on. What's the sense of keeping up a turret if nobody's gonna use it? Besides, the Blarg chased you off the last planet. Why don't we pay him back?
Well, all right, go on if you want. Just don't break anything.
That was very persuasive.
Yeah.
Hey! I'm a good shot. Well, I don't know. I could lose my job. Let me do it because
I gave you the 20 bolts from before.
20 volts.
Remember you paid them to leave?
Yeah, but I guess I didn't remember the exact amount.
I just remember it was something. I gotta be facing out.
Are those what you gotta destroy?
Looks like it.
Get the further one back.
I just see little red blips on the radar.
Oh, you're supposed to hit the things flying around him, maybe. See what I'm saying? Those...
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, they're falling off.
Yeah.
And the one I'm not shooting blows up.
I think that's what those things are. They're missiles just run off to your left, coming right at you.
That I'm a horrible shot, apparently.
Yeah,
That missile took more than a fourth of my health.
Yes, there's another one coming at you down below.
Thank you. That one has a lot of them on it.
I guess not a little ones.
Oh shit.
You got another one shooting. Left, there. Whatever, right now?
Oh my god.
It's changing directions, I guess. And you'll have another one.
Okay, I see that one.
Okay. Yay!
Oh
I did
god.
not see that one. I was looking for it too. Yeah.
Woo!
Well, well, well. Looks like he's good for something after all. Here, take this.
What did we just get?
It detects underground bolts. My grandfather designed it
Okay.
to suck up loose change on any planet in the galaxy. What a cheap old man he was. Well, be around sometime.
Okay, there's a glitch involving that in the hover race.
Really?
For infinite bolts.
Will show up on screen whenever you are near a buried stash of bolts. When equipped, the metal detector will give you signals to indicate your proximity to the buried bolts. The detector plate will always indicate the direction to the bolts. Hold
Okay.
down the circle button to activate the device. As you move closer,
Like, is
to
it
the
even
bolts,
worth
the
using?
rings
Like,
will
is
be
it a
red,
lot of bolts
and
that
the
you can
beacon will
find?
become
Let's
faster.
find out.
Continue holding down the circle button, and
Because it seems like quite a few bolts in the
Yeah.
tutorial.
detector will suck them
Yeah.
out of the ground. Did you
Metal
know you can
detector.
place any gadget or weapon on the quick select?
Oh my god, it's not.
And choose quick select from the menu.
But if you have it active all the time, I bet you it adds up.
I know, but yeah, probably.
Yeah. Okay, so... But you missed this part.
Oh god.
And you die. Now you gotta do the whole ship fight again.
I think I need help, Josh. I can't manage to land this jump.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh, it's telling you to go that way. It's the flux waves that turn Vegeta Super Saiyan 4. I was even
Oh
sure.
my.
Boop. Oh, there he is. Oh, snap. Weapons.
Okay. We're missing something here.
Why?
Because I think we've done everything we could at the moment. So we're missing something.
We do got that other planet we can go to. Right? Or the, what was it? Didn't we just get an item to go to a planet?
Yeah, that one.
What item was it?
The O2 mask.
Yeah,
Because
but I
let's see,
thought
that's
that
all
was-
done. That's all done. That's all done. That's all done. Done. Done.
Done. Explorer's Ratchet.
I didn't get everything?
Hello, once
Did you go
again.
through that one door?
Which
Yeah,
one though?
The one door that opened?
That's where it came? Oh,
Yeah.
there's probably a fork in the road I didn't see or don't remember.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
But at least we got the health.
Yeah, I know, that's... And we're actually a third of the way to getting it. The next upgrade.
If we don't buy anything.
Yeah, I know.
Like all the ammunition.
Mm-hmm.
I got some great bargains for you today.
What's the bargain? Tell us. Oh, that's what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to remember that one guy wants us to go get that mind control thing for him.
The raritanium, but
Yeah.
we don't have the planet it's on though.
Oh, we gotta wait till we can go there.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was a planet we already had.
Nope. I checked. Okay, so now we have ammunition,
Okay.
and we're no longer to a third of the way there.
Sure.
Sorry that we need the immediate necessities, and because we can't live purely on the bare necessities.
Bare necessities. Simple bare necessities. Simple bare necessities. Or how about You Got a Friend in Me? Is that your favorite song? You got a friend in me. Come on. Sing it, John. Or don't you?
I don't know it.
You don't know that song at all?
I know some parts, but not the anything besides the core. Oh my god, this is an ultimate path.
Told you.
Wow. It's right there. Get back! Damn it!
Of course that's what would happen. Oh,
This crap.
watch out. Yay. Ah. The dragon birds. They're hurting.
I can't choose my gun.
Really?
Yeah.
That's stupid.
I bet if I even jump, it would just... I can't even jump.
Yeah. That makes sense.
Oh, we haven't had to use this for a while.
Yep, swing shot.
Oh my god.
Fly away. Oh no. Oh, yeah. That bird knows what's up. Stupid seagulls. I don't care what you look like, you're a seagull. Yes.
Screw you birds.
Oh, yeah.
This is more avoidance and parkour.
Yep. Might well.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's not cool. That's not cool. Run!
You stupid piece of shit. Oh god.
Can you just run away from that thing?
That's kind of my plan at the moment. Yeah.
Well, there's something for you to walk into.
I guess. Finally!
Hello again, everyone.
Oh.
Supreme Executive Chairman Drek here to fill you in on our progress. We have now found the perfect orbit for our planet, one which will allow for the optimum temperature all year round. However, there is a planet now occupying that orbit, and sadly, for its few insignificant inhabitants, it must be destroyed.
Oh.
And that's why we've created this!
Oh.
The Planet Buster Maximus, a device capable of
Oh.
breaking an entire planet into subatomic particles. We're quite proud of it. Here's how it works. We attach the Planet Buster to the
Okay.
ship, fly it into orbit around the planet, and let it go! Kaboom! Quite ingenious, really. Once our trained professionals put the finishing touches on our new planet,
And then
everything will be complete. Thank you. Goodbye.
Love his professionals.
Now this guy's gonna blow up an entire planet? That's just mean.
That's what I've been telling you.
Look, I'm still gunning for Quark. If we end up taking out Drek too, hey, fine. What?
You do care.
Don't push it, pal.
Well, it's an actual entire planet.
Yeah.
Eh, look where we are.
Yay. This place. Where they get stuck. You're supposed to go this way.
Oh wait, the other way was shorter.
Don't fall into the ooby gooby.
God damn it, Josh.
Don't fall into the ubi. Oh snap. Froggies everywhere. Aww. Damn it, item finder.
Found an item.
No, that doesn't go. How do you use the item finder or whatever? Oh, you actually have to select it?
Yeah. And it's not even on the menu anymore.
Wait, is it only you can only use it on that one planet?
Now you can use it anywhere, but there's like a sub-menu you have to go into to rearrange that.
Oh, really?
In other games, they made it so that when you're holding triangle, you can use R1 or L1 for other menus.
Okay, so you can only have whatever guns you want to use out on that one.
Yeah.
All these great, that's stupid.
New planet! Destroy the planet, Buster.
Oh,
That sounds like a bad idea. Destroy a bomb that has the intent to destroy a planet on a planet.
yes. Okay. And Whee! Planet Hoven. I thought you said it was Planet Hoth, you liar.
It's essentially Hoth. It's an ice planet.
So any ice planet ever is now Hoth?
Yes, including Pluto. Pluto's Hoth now.
But Pluto's not a planet anymore.
It is again.
Is it?
Yeah, they just brought it back.
You think?
It never
Great
left.
work, detective.
So why'd they bring it back? For popular demand or what?
It has moons now.
Double tap the
Oh.
R1 button to activate.
Is there a new weapon?
Hold the L2 or
I don't know. I gotta get rid of that
R1
thing.
from side to side.
Get out of my way. Okay, the dinosaur man can run over there. Let me see.
Hi there, Fuzzball. That's
Drone device?
What's that? Defense drone glove. Surround yourself with a screen of point defense bots.
Okay. I think I know what it does now.
So the little guys that like, what's his face has?
Yeah.
Okay. Come over here. But we're not purchasing it
Nope, we don't need it.
because we're saving up.
For health.
Yes. Ow.
Those guys are not really geared for winter conditions. I just realized how high you actually jump.
Whoa, was there just strip dancing there?
I guess.
Did you see how I went around that pole? That was
The
weird.
camera's locked on the opposite end of that pole.
Yeah. Yeah.
Take off the robot!
No. You gotta pay to see the goods.
Pay to see the back.
Yeah. Oh, I thought this would lead to something. Stupid. Okay. What else is there? What's over yonder?
Have you seen that show?
What?
Over on Yonder?
No?
It's a new Disney cartoon, apparently.
Really?
Yes.
What's it about?
Some guy traveling over on Yonder.
Really?
Yeah.
To a different country or something?
I don't know, but apparently it's like just some random guy who's getting in the way of this evil guy who's trying to kill him,
So...
and he's completely oblivious of what's going on. It's one of those shows.
So he doesn't realize what he's... Oh god, what the hell?
Holy shit.
Where...
You're blocked in.
Oh god.
Or not. So that's a lot of them. That's like something the Bond glove would be good for.
But they just kept spawning though.
Maybe there's something at the end of it.
What? Do I hang on to that or something?
No, you wall jumped off of it, but there seems to be only two left. And they got you.